Hello and welcome to another back in stock video here in the Andover Norton warehouse. I'm Simon. I've been taking a look around the shelves this week to see what's available for your bike, so let's take a look right now. Okay, first up this week is part number 132041, the clutch plate kit from Barnet. That's £134.34 including VAT. Next up is part number 132042, the clutch plain plate with a 2mm thickness from Barnet. That is £16.74 including VAT. Next, the isolastic kit front vernier for the pre-Mark III Commando. That's part number 067337 is £83.94 including VAT. The rear number plate less the indicator bracket, that's part number 060646 is £38.30 including VAT. And last up this week, the kickstart lever assembly for the Dominator and Atlas is £147.54 including VAT. That's part number 040434. Don't forget there's links for all the items I've mentioned in the section below, and if there's anything I've not mentioned but you'd like to know when it comes back in stock again, you can do a really simple thing on the website. There's a link in the section below that will take you through the whole process of how you can set yourself up an email reminder. Basically, you'll click a box and then you'll get an email sent to you when the item comes back in stock if you still need it. Right, until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.